These algorithms proved to be insufficient for solving large reasoning problems because they experience a uh, combinatory explosion. They became exponentially slower as the problem grew larger. Okay, even humans rarely use the step-to-step deduction that early AI research could model. So they solve most of their problem using fast, intuitive judgments. So human beings are always like they are based on intuitive things. We do intuitive decisions and all. Sometimes they are wrong, sometimes it depends on how good is your intuitional channel of your body. So they tried step to step process for AI, but then they were failed. They couldn't succeed in this model. Later we'll go to the next section, which is knowledge representation in AI artificial intelligence. Thanks so much, thank you so much.